Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, January 24th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we're having apple früdel, yogurt, juice, and fruit. For lunch we're having Crispitos, black beans, corn, fruit, and juice. Today's weather is chilly this morning. We have a high of 66, a low of 38. It's cloudy but a low chance of rain. Today's birthdays, Cameron Anderson and Destiny Henderson. Happy birthday! Today's announcements. Uniforms. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be once they are inside the building. Jackets and sweatshirts should be a solid color, gray, blue, or black. No hoodies. This is a great time to make sure that all the students in your classroom are in compliance with the uniform policy. ACAP. Students, the ACAP will take place in a few weeks. This is our time to get into testing mode and to practice to do our best. ACAP boot camp and literacy tutoring will begin February 7th. Teachers, if you are interested in tutoring, please let me know. This tutoring session will be 2 days a week for 5 weeks. Paras, please make sure you're on your duty spot each day at the designated time in the morning and or evening. Today's late duty is Miss Lankford, tomorrow Miss Barnes, then Waller and Moeller. Important dates. Today is our eProve mid-year review at 9 a.m. in the Collab Lab. Also, Ms. Smith will be attending that, so please don't send students to the library until she sends out an email saying that it's open. Also, wellness screening will be January 26th, so later on this week. And Friday, we'll have our honor walk at 1 o'clock. January 30th, faculty meeting. February 2nd, ACAP science refresher for our 4th grade teachers. Stipend will be paid. February 3rd, PACE field trip. February 7th, tutoring begins. February 10th, PACE and 5th grade field trip. PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, we have guest presentations from Michael Green, the Science Machine. February 17th is our 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. And March 7th, spring pictures. As always, you can send your questions to the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday.